What's up, math kids? Today we're going to be looking at the sum and difference rules. I'm going to write that down just like last time. Sum and difference. Difference rules. Okay, here we are. This is going to be a really short lesson because it's really easy. So, what this basically says is that if I have the let's call a function. We'll call it capital F of x, right? Is equal to g of x plus h of x. Okay, we don't know what g of x or h of x is, but we'll just keep it like this. If I ask you for the derivative of f of x, right? This is the same thing as asking, okay, what's the derivative of g of x plus h of x? Now this is a weird, daunting task at first, but the sum rule basically tells us that, okay, when you have the derivative of two things added together, just take the derivative of each separately. So instead of taking the derivative of the whole thing, we take the derivative of g of x. We're going to add that to the derivative of h of x. Alright? So that's simple enough. Let's go through a worked example here. So let's say f of x, lowercase f this time, is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 4. Alright? And I ask you, okay, what's the derivative of f of x? With respect to x, of course. Alright, take a moment to figure this out. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take the derivative of each term separately. So the derivative of x squared is going to be 2x. The derivative of 2x is plus 2, positive 2. And of course the derivative of a constant is 0. So this is what we end up. This is what we have. We have 2x plus 2. This is the derivative of f of x. And of course we used the previously learned power rule to do this. Anyway, that's basically the whole sum and difference rules. This difference rule is the same thing, except it works with subtraction too. So that's why we're allowed to do this minus 4 part. Let's work through an example using the difference rule. It's the same thing, but it's good to know. So let's say g of x is going to be equal to negative 7x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Alright? Now what's g? Let's use prime notation for this one. What's g primed of x? Okay, I hope you solved this by yourself, but we can take a look at it. So instead of taking the whole thing, we'll just look at each term separately. So first, negative 7x cubed. The 3, the coefficient, is going to, sorry, not the coefficient, the exponent is going to jump down. So instead of negative 7, we'll end up with negative 21, 3 times 7, x to the power of 2, minus 4x, because the 2 jumps down. We're going to do minus 5, and the 3 goes off to nothing. So this is the derivative of g of x. It works with subtraction as well. So anyway, yeah, that's the sum and difference rules. Thank you for watching, and join us next time when we learn about some other rules, like product rule, which is stupid. I hate it. Alright, see you later.